Close your eyes, back straight, palms together. सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। I will do the screen share. Stava. अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परं निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। गुणातीतमानं चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगं ज्ञानगम्यम् मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशं मुनिध्येयमाकाशरूपं परेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुराधिं सुखादिं गुणेशं गणेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेमा। गुरु स्तोत्रम पेज नंबर 87। व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्ना विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्य शाश्वत शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्ति समारूढः तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्म सम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोर्पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानप्रदानेन तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथः मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुरादिरनादिश्च गुरुर्परमदैवतं गुरुर्परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। गीता ध्यानम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। हरिः ओम श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। Bhagavad Gita we will all chant together. Okay? ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः। सञ्जय उवाच तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम् विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः। श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन। क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते। क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप। अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहं संख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन। इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन। गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके। हत्वार्थकामान् सुगुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान् न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः देवस्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम् न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम् सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशम् गुडाकेशः परन्तप न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः श्रीभगवानुवाच अशोच्यानन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादांश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूंश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः न चैवाहं जातु नासं न त्वं नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम् देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरः प्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णसुखदुःखदाः आगमापायिनो नित्याः तां स्थितिक्षस्व भारत यं हि न व्यथयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःखसुखं धीरं सोऽमृतत्वाय कल्पते नासतो विद्यते भावः नाभावो विद्यते सतः उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः त्वनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः अविनाशि तु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति अन्तवन्त इमे देहाः नित्यस्योक्ताः शरीरिणः अनाशिनो प्रमेयस्य तस्माद्युध्यस्व भारत य एनं वेत्ति हन्तारम् यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतः नायं हन्ति न हन्यते न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे वेदाविनाशिनं नित्यं य एनमजमव्ययम् कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ कं घातयति हन्तिकम् वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापः न शोषयति मारुतः अच्छेद्योऽयमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः हरिः ओम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् Bhavesh, you learned the Hanuman Chalisa completely, right? Today I have shared one PDF of Hanuman Chalisa where you have the meanings of each shloka. Try to learn the meaning also. To all the kids, whoever learned the shlokas, if you learn one shloka, learn the meaning of that also. Very good. So, okay. After learning 40, you have to learn the meanings also. For every sloka, there is a meaning. Today I shared the PDF in the group. Okay. Now we will. Okay. Tell me, Malvika. Okay, your voice is breaking. We will do one bhajan. My prayers. Who? Sri Rama Rama Rameti. Who can repeat it now? Last week we learned Sri Rama Rama Rameti. That shloka? Yeah. Say. Sri Rama
Rama Rameti. Namo Rame Rama.
Wonderful. Sri Rama Rama Rameti. Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama Tattulyam. Rama Rama Varanane.
Sri Rama Rama Rameti.
Rame Rame Manorame. Sahasranama
नित्यं
राम नाम वरानने. Okay. We will do one Shiva bhajan today. Page number 116. Yeah. Page number 116. Repeat after me. No need of the page number if you don't have the book. Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara.
Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara.
Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Neelakantha Shuladhari Chandrasekhara.
Neelakantha Shuladhari Chandrasekhara.
Dhalanetra Tripurari Gauri Shankara.
Dhalanetra Tripurari Gauri Shankara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Gauri Shankara Chandrasekhara.
Gauri Shankara Chandrasekhara.
Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara.
Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Neelakantha Shuladhari Chandrasekhara.
Neelakantha Shuladhari Chandrasekhara.
Bhalanetra Tripurari Gauri Shankara.
Bhalanetra Tripurari Gauri Shankara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Gauri Shankara Chandrasekhara.
Gauri Shankara Chandrasekhara.
Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara.
Shankara Sadashiva Chandrasekhara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Chandrasekhara Gauri Shankara.
Whoever is not having my prayers book, please look at this screen. Okay? Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raja Nija Manu Mukura Sudhari Baranau Raghubar Vimala Jasu Jodayak Falchari बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरौ कलेश विकार. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिह लोक उजागर. रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम. महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी. कंचन बरण विराज सुबेश कानन कुंडल कुंचित केश. हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे. शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंधन. विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को
सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे, लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए, रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई, सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद शारद सहित अहिसा, जम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते, कभी कोविद कहि सके कहाते, तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा, तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जान, जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु, प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि, जलधि लांघि गए अचरज राहि, दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते, राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे, सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरण, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना, आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाकते कापे, भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे, नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा, संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे, सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे, चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, हे पर सिद्धि जगत उजियारा, साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे, अष्ट सिद्धि निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई, और देवता चित्तन धरे, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा, जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई, जो शत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटे ही बंदी महासुख होई, जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय महडेरा, पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसन सुर भूप, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय। जय हनुमान, जय श्री कृष्ण।
Last week we have completed Balakanda. After Ramji and Sita Mata, yeah, they reached Ayodhya. So that's why now we will enter into Ayodhya Kanda. Ayodhya Kanda talks about the happenings in Ayodhya, and there is a big transformation of Ramji's journey from a okay. Ayodhya Kanda, Valmiki ji starts like Gachata. Gachata means left. Who left? Bharata, Shatrugna, they left to Kekaya kingdom. On his grandfather's request, his maternal uncle Yudhajit came to Ayodhya after attending the marriage. He took Bharata and Shatrugna, they went along with him to the Kekaya kingdom. Though they were there, they were thinking of his aged father, their aged father Dasharatha. Dasharatha was growing older day by day. Already he is 60,000 years old, right? Bharata and Shatrugna was thinking, even though they are happy with their maternal grandfather, they were thinking about their father. Here in Ayodhya, Ramji, Lakshmana, Sita Mata, Urmila, they were all taking care of Ayodhya and Ramji's mothers. And we learned that Ramji was serving his elders, and Rama and Sita were loving each other unconditionally. Yeah, Deepti Shri, tell me.
How many years Dasharatha led his life? You told Rama.
60,000 years. His body is 60,000 years old. Yeah. We will discuss it later. Now, Dasharatha was feeling like, I am growing older day by day, so now I couldn't handle this administration like earlier. So I want to crown Ramachandra on the throne of Ayodhya kingdom. It is not like if Dasharatha thinks he can directly ask Ramji to sit on the throne. So that's why he called out for a meeting with all the Parishads, kings, means the prominent citizens of Ayodhya and the kings of different countries around the globe. Because we know Ayodhya is a vast kingdom where Dasharatha conquered all the earth. He was valorous, he was very powerful, and he was ruling righteously. So this is what is going on in Dasharatha's mind. So he called out for a meeting. So the kings from all the places, like from east, west, north, south, everybody came and they were staying in Ayodhya. So Dasharatha honored them with good quarters and all, and later he presented few gems, precious stones also. Then next day the meeting was announced. Now Valmiki ji, please mute. Now Valmiki ji is describing the virtues of Sri Rama. Kids, listen carefully. These are the morals we will be deriving after the class also, because I don't want to leave. When I read it, almost 10 times I read, I could not leave not even one virtue. Virtues are called the good qualities, and in one line if I have to summarize, there are no virtues left that Sri Rama did not possess. Okay, now they will describe, Valmiki ji describes Sahirupo Upapannaha. Sahirupo is, he is very charming physically, he is charming, And Upapannaha, he could not be compared with anybody. He is incomparable as a son and replica of replica of Dasharatha in terms of virtues. Means Dasharatha is also virtuous, right? He is replicating the virtues of Dasharatha. Next, Anasuyakaha. Asuya means jealousy. Anasuyakaha means he is not at all jealous. And he is valorous, Viryavan. Valorous, Anasuyakaha. And if somebody utters a harsh word to Rama, generally nobody utters a word like that. But in case if somebody utters a harsh word towards him, he never replies in return like that. But he talks gently, softly, with a smile. He starts the conversation with a smile. Always Priyam Vada, pleasant face he has. And if somebody does a bad deed to him, he never remembers it. If one, yeah, Deepti Sri, tell me.
Ma'am, we have to note the characters of Ayodhya Kanda.
Not now. Just now we have started, no? And all the question and answers we will take up at the end of the session, okay? We will not miss the flow. Now, where were we? If somebody does a bad deed to Ramji, he never remembers it. But if one does a good deed, he will remember it for his lifetime. If 100 bad deeds are done to him also, he never remembers. And he is so compassionate, kind. He will forgive everybody. Even that is what in Aranyakanda and all you will know. The demons knew that Ramji will kill them, but still they knew that he is compassionate. He will give us one chance. Shrestha, listen. So these are the qualities, and he mastered the archery. He always practices the astras and shastras, and he wants to converse with people, elderly people, whether it is by age or by virtue or by knowledge. If somebody is knowledgeable and younger to him, but still he wants to talk to them, and he is disinterested in unmoral stories. Okay, like that, innumerable qualities, virtues of Ramji were discussed. You have to revise all the virtues discussed now, and we will discuss later. So next day the meeting was announced. The court of Dasharatha was so beautiful. It was a royal court, right? All the kings were assembled. When Dasharatha entered, everybody stood up and they bowed to him. And then after Dasharatha sat down on the elevated seat, then everybody sat in their places according to their rank. Now Dasharatha started the conversation. O kings, now till now I have been ruling Ayodhya very, very truthfully, and I never uttered a single lie in my life, and I never swerved from the path of dharma. Means I never moved away from dharma, and I never made people of Ayodhya lament, cry. I have been ruling them, looking after my people as my children, like a father takes care of the children. I was taking care of Ayodhya. Now my body is wearing out. It is becoming worse day by day. So I could not handle the pressure of administration and take care of all these kingdoms. Right? He has many kingdoms under his power. So we have a less choice of auspicious days. Tomorrow is Pushya, under the star of Pushya Nakshatra. I want to install Rama as king, Yuvaraja. So please let me know your thoughts. It is not like I will say this, you have to accept. No, you please let me know your thoughts. If you can't agree with me, you can suggest who can be the next heir, next king after me. All the kings with single voice they applauded. They said, yes, we are all with you. We agree that Sri Rama is the most capable king after you. So then Dasharatha said, do you really say that, or you didn't want to deny what I said? If I am ruling so righteously, why do you want Sri Rama? Please let me know the reasons. Now they start. It is like almost 2 sargas. They will be explaining the virtues of Rama. Ramji is compassionate. He studied all the Vedas. He is knowledgeable, and he is very good at war and the techniques of war, how to lead the troops. And if Rama goes to a war, there is no chance that the enemy will survive. And he will come back and inquire, and he looks after the people like you only. Like Dasharatha, how he was taking care of the people, he also inquires about our whereabouts. How are we? How are our near and dear? He comes on the elephants and horses. He rides horses very nicely. And they said that he is virtuous as Brihaspati. Who is Brihaspati? The guru of gods. In the virtues, they are comparing Ramji with Brihaspati, and in patience, they are comparing Ramji with Mother Earth. He is as patient as the Mother Earth, and as virtuous as Brihaspati, and as valiant. Valiant means courageous, powerful, strong. Valiant as Indra. So these are, and he is knowledgeable. He is truthful. He is not only truthful, he also knows what is right. So these are the qualities he had, and all the virtues. He is the treasure house of virtues. So he is the right king after you. Because you are becoming old, please install Rama tomorrow. So then Dasharatha was extremely happy. He knew that Ramji was very good. But if the people around him and the kings around him also say the same, Dasharatha was extremely happy, and he immediately urged Vasishtha, please take care of all the arrangements for the ceremony tomorrow. Please tell me, what do you want? He said, kalashas, gems, hathi, elephant, and the army, so many sacred herbs. He gave a big list. Then immediately he said to his ministers, please go and fetch all whatever Vasishtha said. Tomorrow we are going to finalize and crown Ram. Dasharatha was extremely happy. So he called out Sumantra, please go and fetch Ram. So the Ramji was living in another palace. So Sumantra took a chariot and he went to Ramji's palace and said that Dasharatha called him. So Ramji immediately came. When he entered the palace of Dasharatha was feeling like as if a royal elephant is walking. He felt like, and Ramji came and touched the feet of Dasharatha, and Dasharatha kissed on his forehead and said that, Rama, from tomorrow you have to take care of the people. And you have to look after the welfare of our people. I am going to install you as Yuvaraja. Ramji said that, if it is my duty, if you say, I will follow it. It is not like that, I am becoming the king, yay, hooray, not like that. He was happy that to share the responsibility of his father. He is feeling it responsible, and his duty, Pitruvakya Paripalana, he will continue the same. And he said, Dasharatha said that you have to finish few formalities by tomorrow. So go, and he should fast that night. He should not eat anything, and he has to sleep on the grass along with Sita. So those are some formalities. So please do follow. Dasharatha said. Then he obeyed. He went to Kausalya Mata and conveyed the news. Kausalya Mata was actually meditating at that time before Vishnu. So after listening to the news, she was in tears. She was also very happy and she blessed him. Then, along with Rama, there was Lakshmana also. Then Rama said that, Lakshmana, it is not that I only do all the, while taking care of Ayodhya and the people, you will be my partner. We both will do the duty together. Lakshmana obviously he says, yes bhaiya, right? So here, Ramji was very happy, Dasharatha was very happy, Lakshmana happy, and Kausalya Mata was also happy. Obviously Sita Mata will be happy, right? With all the happy faces, we will end the class here. Tomorrow, next week, we will see how Ramji is going to be crowned or not. Okay? Here, I want to say virtues anyway. You have to listen to the story again and write down the virtues or think about the virtues. Here when Dasharatha took a decision, that is a right decision also, but he was talking to them. It is not that as he had power, he did not took the decision. He was discussing. Even
Excuse me, what else?
good qualities are called virtues. Bad qualities are called vices. VICES. Okay, so because in future also we will be learning all the Rakshasas will have vices, all the good people will have virtues. If we have one good quality like Rama, talking truth or being compassionate or standing on the word, on the promise, and never don't lie or don't underestimate anybody. Right? Even though Rama is very good, he was only initiating the talk. If somebody is angry with us, we will also think that we will not talk to them. No, not like that. Ramji, even though he is high in his stature as a king or a prince, he was going and initiating the talk with a pleasant smile. Like that, if one virtue if we possess, it will take us, it will make us progress in our journey. Okay? And the morals, whenever you want to take a decision, please discuss and take the approval. Whether it is a family or in the office or in the school, anywhere. Right? Rest all the Ramji's virtues are morals only. Yeah. Was the class. Om Sarvesham Swastirbhavatu Sarvesham Shantirbhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pledge. 27 I guess. Yes, 28. We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values within and without us. We live honestly the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is devotion to the Supreme Self. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Om Tat Sat. Hari Om. Thank you.
Om Tat Sat.
Yes.